Wait, can I tell you something? Dawn, I was with Dawn and King Wanda swimming the other day. And then he talked about his experience with like gay guys. And he's actually quite open. Dawn. He talked about his experience with gay guys and he's open. Like he's open. So knowing Neliswa and how she wants like, you know, this type of guy, this certain guy. You know what I mean? I think it's like,
Do you think it'll work?
I don't know. Hearing that and knowing her, I don't think it will work. But
Not even that.
you never know.
Not even that. Look here, I am sorry if it works out. I'm being negative. I apologize in advance. I just don't think it'll work out because Nelly's was firm on the fact that this is physical. She was firm on that. And also, her lifestyle doesn't, he doesn't fit into it. And she likes nice things.
She does.
We both do. We work hard for our nice things.
And she's a nice girl.
But
When
also,
she enters a room, you know.
Exactly, and the borders that everyone knows. Come on now. Also the dinners that she goes on, who's paying for it?
Yeah.
Not done. With what 10K is done now.
And exactly, that's another thing. John, he dates older people because he expects
And
the
that's not gonna happen.
older girls to pay for him. And Nelisa is not in the same.